Okay, so who here has done 75 hard and who here has done it twice? But who here is never gonna do that again? Y'all, 75 hard has changed my life, but I will never, ever do it again because it was hard, like I said. Y'all know I work in the hood. Sorry for all the sirens. But I don't think I need to do 75 hard anymore because I really do feel like I learned my lesson. Like, after doing that, after realizing that I can conquer my mind, I don't think I need to go to such extreme measures anymore. If you've done 75 hard, let me know down below. Let's have a conversation. Would you do it again? Why? Why not? I just feel like myself, I think I'm done willingly putting myself through stressful situations. I went to pharmacy school. I became an AKA. And I did 75 hard twice. I think I'm good. Oh yeah, and I completed a residency program. So I'm like super good.